Let's see how to input random text into your Microsoft Word document. So first off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. Now there are two ways to input random text into your Word document. The first one is by using the random text generator provided by Microsoft Word, and we can do that by typing in this code, equal sign, type in rand, and then open and close parentheses, and simply click enter. And as you can see, this will input random text into that particular section of your document. Now, another method we can do if we want to input dummy text, for example, is by typing in the same code, equal sign. However, this time, let's type in this code, lorem, and the same open and close parentheses. Now click enter, and that will input dummy text in Latin. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.